She's making a plea to the camera. What? I told you no more popcorn. We've had plenty of popcorn. I'm sorry. Oh. Is that sassing? Why don't you lay right down here and tell me?
Oh, she's getting pissy.
Should I give her one? Do you want to get her like teasing?
Yeah.
Alright, but you gotta tell me really big. No, tell me. Tell me. Listen to those jaws snap. Alright, that's it. I mean it. I already went back on saying no more. What?
Oh, hey.
What? Why are you making all your...
Whoa, pissed off. Tantrum.
I've never seen that before. Hey! Hey!